Changing your payment date on Zip can help you manage your finances more effectively. Follow these simple steps to adjust your payment schedule. Step 1. Open the Zip app. Launch the Zip app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once in the app, locate the menu or settings icon. Tap on it and find the section labeled Payment Settings or Manage Payments. Step 3. Select Payment Date. In the Payment Settings section, look for the option to change your payment date. Tap on it to view available dates for your next payment. Step 4. Choose a new date. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new payment date, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation notification indicating that your payment date has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your payment date on Zip to better align with your budgeting needs.